Hello, my friend. Do you buy sunglasses?
Hey.
Beautiful sunglasses.
Hey, chica. ¿Qué pasa?
Not Spanish. English.
Do you want to come for a drink with me, chica?
I don't understand you.
A drink, us two. And then we make out.
Okay.
Women are so slutty.
You are so ugly.
Oh, I can have every woman I want to.
Nee. Nur the bitches.
Ooh, and you are one of them.
No. No.
You're a good Christian girl.
Yeah.
Oh, now we have a problem. I want to fuck you.
No. No.
And do you have one of your girlfriends who's a bitch? And I can take her to bed.
Yeah. My girlfriend, Sally, is a bitch.
Ah! I think I must go now.